Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. We've been having a lot of requests for video on this 2018 Scat Pack that we have, so finally getting around to getting that done. Anyhow, this is not a factory wide body car. That is a wide body kit on a Scat Pack, and then it's got the brand new Ferradas 235s on the front, 20-inch wheels, and we put some Meteor 295 35 20s on the back of it. So this car will actually hook up a lot better. The factory tires are only like a 265, I believe. So we added some more meat back down there for them, which really helps improve the drivability of the car. Of course, the rear diffuser is different. The whole rear bumper, and it has the front bumper is like the Demon style. Factory rear spoiler, and it just added the wicker bill to it, and beautiful paint. The color on this thing is absolutely gorgeous. It is not a scratch, but awesome car. 2018, only 22,000 miles on it, and all stock intake, stock exhaust, still has its cats. Just the appearance package, and then of course the window tint there, and even with the factory exhaust, I mean, these mufflers sound great. Give it a little rev for you. But really clean interior, again, with only 22,000 miles on it. There's no reason why it shouldn't be. Seats are in great shape. No burns, rips, tears, or stains. And the console. And of course it does have the super track pack. It's nice. Steering wheel, stereo controls, cruise control, nice Bluetooth system. Of course your paddle shifters. And 22,929 on it currently. There is no owner's manual in the box. There's the wheel key, and then we'll show you the rear seats, and then the business end. And there you go, all stock, unmolested, ready for you to throw on whatever you want to throw on. Pro charger, long tube headers, big cam. You know you've got your list together already. And we've got the car for you right here, Holiday Motors, 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. I don't know if you've noticed, but there's a couple of other SRT vehicles around. We got the Cherokee, another Cherokee, another Cherokee. That one we just got with only 43,000 miles on it. And then another Scat Pack there. That's a 19 with 45 on it. And there's also an RT around that corner there. But either way, you see it, Holiday Motors. Been right here since 1974. Top dollar for your trades. Great financing available. And warranty included. I'm sorry, but there's no buy here, pay here, and you probably need a little bit of good credit history to be able to qualify for, you know, $40,000 plus car. So just a heads up. But we definitely appreciate you watching. We want you to give us a call and let us try to figure out what we can do to earn your business. Thanks for watching again as always, and we look forward to hearing from you.